Day 10 from 0 to WordPress Hero end of the year challenge. And today we'll be exploring the Elementor interface. Yesterday we talked about how you can upload your logo to your websites, both to the header and to the footer of the websites. And also we talked about how you can resize the size of the logo from the customizer section. So today we'll be exploring the Elementor interface. For those of us that have been following us, Elementor is a plugin, an editor plugin that you can use to customize, edit, and build your website. So today we'll be exploring the interface. So basically, this is the interface of Elementor. Everything you are seeing here is the interface of Elementor. As you can see, the website is now sectioned, and you can work on it individually. All right. So the first thing you need to know from the Elementor interface is that you can easily navigate the structure of the website without having to scroll up and down. All right, you can easily navigate the structure of the website without having to scroll up and down, and you can easily do that from here. So these are all the containers on the structure. Containers means I'm looking for a way to explain it. Container means let me show you what it means. As you can see now, once I click on this container, this place let me show you something else again. Hold on. You see, it's not. Let me show you. Now this is another section, right? And now I'm clicking on this section. Can you see? This is the container for this section. For the section I just clicked on. So that means under this container there is two other containers under this container. So inside this third container, that is where this image is. So container is what you can basically use to categorize or section a part of your website. You can use it to categorize or section a part of your website where you can input anything you want to input there. You can input image, you can input video, you can input text. You can decide to only input image, and you can decide to input everything: text, image, logo, anything you want to input inside of it. So it makes work easier, so that everything won't just be scattered all over every place. Do you understand? So that is why I always use container. So from here you can easily as you can see, as I clicked on it, the sign came on this section. So you can easily navigate the structure of the website from the navigator here. So you don't have to scroll up and down looking for, whenever you are working and you are getting confused, you can easily use the navigator to navigate your way around the website. So another thing you need to know is that whenever you are working on a particular section on the website and you want to add a new maybe text, image, or video to it. So if you are working in a particular section of the on the website, this is what it will show in this container depending on the particular section that you are working on. Do you understand? So if you want to add a new feature to the website, all you have to do is come here and click add elements, and as you can see, these are all the elements you can add to the website. You can add headings, you can add image, you can add text editor, you can add videos, you can add button, you can add divider, you can add everything you need here. You can easily add this. And also, if you are using plugins around maybe Formidable Form or Elementor Pro, you have more options of structure, sorry, of lay of elements that you can add to the website. All right, so this is very important whenever you are working on a section of a website. As you can see, once I clicked on it, it brought edit heading. So which means this is an heading on the website. So if you want to add a new heading to the website, all you have to do is come here and then drag it to where you want to add it, and you can easily type anything you want to type there, and you can change the color, you can change the styling and everything. I won't be doing that today. I'm just, we are just exploring the interface of the Elementor, so we won't be doing that today. And also, if you want to delete it, all you have to do is click on it and then select delete, and that is it, it is gone. So another thing you need to know is the site setting. If you want to set the layout of the site, this will affect the whole site. So anything you do from here will affect the whole site. This is not just about segments and containers and columns and all of that anymore. This will affect every part of the website, whatever you do for it. So so you can easily change the color of the text, different text. You can change the fonts of all the text on the website from here. You can change the typographic, you can change the buttons, you can change the image, the font fields, you can edit it. You can also edit the site identity, you can edit the background. This is just basically the the customized section of the Elementor. So you can easily customize everything you can do from the customized section of the theme. Also, you can do it from here. So that is what site setting is all about. So another thing you need to put in mind is that once you are building on a laptop, the structure will be different on mobile and it will be different on tablets. So though um, laptop and tablets um, are mostly alike, but on phone it will be different on the phone. So whenever you are working on a laptop, you have to always check what you are doing on the mobile version. And how can you do that? All you have to do is click on the mobile version, and as you can see, this is the mobile version of the website. And as you can see, it is quite different from the laptop version or desktop version of the website. So you have to also put this in mind whenever you are working. Always try to check the mobile version and also the tablet version of the site that you are building. This will help you to make any changes you need to make on time before it gets out of hand. So this is basically um, and also if you want to uh, go to any other page, if you are done working here, you can easily go to any other page from this place. So another thing you can do is this is the page setting. So you can change the title of the page from here, and also you can decide to add the title if you don't want people to see the title, and you can change the page layout. So this will only affect the page, but if you are doing anything from here, it will affect the whole website, the home page, the about us page, the service us page, every goddamn page it will affect it. But if you are doing it from here, it will only affect the home page or whichever page you are working on. All right, so you can also work on the styling and the advance of the the page you're working on. So basically that is what this does. So another thing you need to put in mind that is very important is once you are done editing anything you are once you are done editing anything you are doing, always make sure to publish, so it will automatically save your work, so it won't be lost. Maybe if you run out of light on your laptop, or something happened, emergency or anything, so you won't have to start all over again. So whenever you're done with editing your header, make sure to save it. You're done editing another section, make sure to always publish it. So once you are done with editing the page, you can easily preview everything you do. So once you are done, all you have to do is click on this preview changes, and you can easily preview the changes you've made to the site. And also you can, if you have any issue, you are encountering any issue with the templates, sorry, with the Elementor, you can easily click here and then reach out to them and they will respond back to you. So that is as easy as that. And also this is a finder. If you have to find a particular section or elements or anything on the Elementor, you can easily use this button and you'll be good to go. So this will be the end of the video. If you have any topic you want me to talk about, please don't forget to drop it at the comment section. And also if you find the video interesting, please drop a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and God bless.